Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. We all want our CPAP therapy to be as efficient and comfortable as possible, but sometimes even if your machine is running perfectly, you might notice your sleep quality starting to dip. Often the culprit isn't the machine, it's a worn out cushion. Today I want to talk about the hidden costs of using a CPAP cushion for too long. It's not just about the age of the silicone, it's about how an old cushion can quietly compromise your health, your skin, and your sleep. And if you want to ensure your therapy stays smooth, keep watching. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. CPAP cushions are made of high-quality medical-grade silicone, designed to be soft and flexible. However, silicone is a porous material, and over time, constant contact with facial oils, moistures, and cleaning products causes the material to break down. It loses its memory and its ability to create the perfect airtight seal. The most significant hidden cost is the loss of the effective therapy. When a cushion loses its elasticity, tiny micro leaks start to happen. You might not even notice them, but your CPAP machine will. To compensate for the leak, the machine often ramps up the pressure, which can lead to fragmented sleep, feeling tired despite using the machine the whole night, a dry mouth or throat in the morning. As silicone ages and becomes more porous, it starts to trap bacteria, oils, and dead skin cells more easily. Even with regular washing, an old cushion can become a source of redness and skin irritation, rashes or mask acne, or pressure marks because you're forced to tighten the straps too much to stop leaks. Sometimes it's just hard to tell by looking at the cushion if it's still performing at 100%. Here are the three main signs to watch for. The leak and tighten cycle. If you find yourself tightening the headgear straps more than usual to stop air from escaping, the silicone has likely lost its strength. A fresh cushion should seal comfortably without needing high tension. Visual changes. Does the silicone look cloudy or slightly yellow? Does it feel tacky or sticky to the touch, even after a thorough wash? These are clear signs the material is degrading. Physical symptoms. Your body often gives you the first clues. Dry eyes because of micro leaks blowing upward can irritate your eyes overnight. In the morning, if you feel tired, your cushion might be losing pressure, making your therapy less effective. If you notice breakouts or redness exactly where the mask sits, the porous silicone is likely trapping bacteria. To maintain the best results, most manufacturers recommend replacing your cushion every 3 to 6 months. This ensures the seal remains soft and the hygiene stays at a clinical level. If you move a lot in your sleep, consider a different mask style that fits your movement. Another great solution is a CPAP pillow that reduces pressure on the mask and helps maintaining the seal. You can find a full range of these comfort products and replacement cushions on our website oxigo.com. Replacing your cushion isn't just a maintenance task, it's about protecting the investment you've made in your health. A fresh cushion means better sleep, clearer skin, and a much more comfortable experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more expert CPAP advice. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.